Bongani Gema. He's monitoring the vaccination drive there. I understand the Premier, Sihle, Zikalala, as well as the Health MEC, Nomagugu, Simelane, are there to encourage people to get vaccinated. Bongani, very good afternoon to you. What are you witnessing there?
Good afternoon, Plain 2, and good afternoon to our SABC viewers. Plain, we are at the Wema hostel where the Premier, Sihle Zikalala, and the MEC for Health, Nomagugu, Simelane, are here to encourage dwellers of the hostel to come out in their numbers and get vaccinated. You'll remember last week, earlier this week, we did a story where the Premier was saying that they are not satisfied with the numbers that they are getting in the province. They want to vaccinate about 60,000 people a day, and they were only getting about 35,000, and that was very worrying for the Premier, who was saying that this in a few months we are going into the season where KZN gets a very high number of people who come into the province to visit, and that was worrying because that may then cause the fourth wave. As we know, the province is now in its third wave. We know that over 250 people have been vaccinated in the province, and 296 facilities by the public sector are still active. Vaccination sites are still active. This is the MEC Nomagugu Simelane speaking and addressing the residents here, encouraging them to come and vaccinate. My colleague Natim Zimela is showing you those visuals. We do also have a very high number of people who are here ready to get vaccinated. So I think the problem here, Plenoni, spoke with the residents. They were saying that the vaccination sites are inaccessible to them. They were saying it's better now that they've come to where they are, where then they'll be easier to just step out of the door and get vaccinated and go back. So the problem that the residents of this Wema hostel were saying that the vaccination sites were inaccessible. They're happy now that they're here. I have the one gentleman here who's going to try to speak to us, who's going to get vaccinated. My brother, Smoya Kulis Kasakon, Uschele Ikama, Sumipot, Uschele Ikama, Ubuge Minamus, Stelu, when I now know Valo, Jobula also vaccinated Sabantabaning with Besab.
Ini kamala anele konjwayo njengoba ngizogoma bengisabe eqaleni saqala uhlelo goma kodwa manje angisabi right for mangagoma
yini bangela uhlelo ungasabi yini edala ukuthi ungasabi wena
abengasabe ngikulangazelela ukugoma bengenankinga nawo
mhlambe uhlala wedwa khona abantu ohlala nabo endlini yakho ohlala kuyona
ukhona engihlala naye kodwa usemsebenzini kwabanye
awazi noma bona
naye uyakufuna ukugoma ngisemsebenzini
yini benibambile usingagoma
qale sesaba qala ukugoma kodwa manje sesi-right for basigagoma.
Well, Plain, this was one resident saying that he's happy to get vaccinated. He's not afraid. They wanted to get vaccinated, but they were not able to get the opportunities. He has a roommate who also wants to get vaccinated. Unfortunately, he's not here today. He had to go to work, but he knows that his roommate also wants to get vaccinated. Plain, we are here. We are still waiting for the updates on the Premier to tell us the updates regarding COVID statistics in the province. As you know, that he usually does this on Sundays, so we're hoping he'll update us again today, tell us the numbers and how the province is doing, also in terms of vaccination. Plain.
The numbers I have in front of me, according to the National Institute for Communicable Diseases in KwaZulu-Natal, new cases 1,340, cumulative 500,320. Let's listen into what the Premier has to say, if you can, a bit, Bongani.
Ngiyafuna futhi ukusho ukuthi le mfundiso ethi ugoma akusizi noma kuyingozi ayisiyisi phambili. Uma kufika i-AIDS abantu baqale bayidinaya bathi besuka babe condemna labo ababevela ukuthi bona sebebabhekile. Ngenhlanhla ngalesi sifo abaholi bebephambili besho ukuthi sebebambekile basinde, kodwa abaholi bonke abakushoyo ukuthi masigome sizothi ke sonke masigome. Angigcineke ngokusho ukuthi ulandaba usitshenile inkinga zala endaweni, usitshenile ukuthi kudingeka at least i-mobile clinic ezofika ikwazi ukunakekela abantu. usitshenile ngokuthi amablock amabili asha uJ noG usitshenile ngokuthi ezinye indawo ziyanetha azikho kahle usitshenile futhi ukuthi amanzi kwezinye indawo akatholakali ishilo ukuthi njengoba umakhansela ekhona sizowalekelela sikhulume nomasipala nezinto zixazululwe ngokusheshsha siyabonga-ke kulabo sebegomile nabangakagomi asinganqeni kuthiwa imbila yaswela umsila ngokuyalezela masiphume siyogoma siyabonga injalo lento goma siyakwi-media briefing njengamanje elanga emuva
Sihle Zikalala, he's there together with the MEC for Health, Nomagugu Simelane. They're encouraging residents to get vaccinated. I heard the other day someone was saying that in a pandemic, individual liberties end where collective responsibility begins. Do you believe that's true? Let us know at the agenda_SABC.